In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your Wix site from a Google search, launch the Wix editor, and use the Ask Aria assistant to add an animated number counter, step by step. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Wix. From the results, choose the official Wix link and sign in if prompted. Once you're in your Wix account and looking at your site's dashboard, look for the button that takes you into the editor. It may appear as Design Site depending on your view. Click that to open your site in the Wix editor. When the editor finishes loading, locate Ask Aria. This is Wix's built-in assistant that can generate guidance and help you perform tasks inside the editor. Click. Ask Aria to open the chat panel so you can type your request. In the message field, type this exact prompt. Add animated number counter to Wix website. This tells Aria precisely what you want to accomplish. Then click Send so the assistant can process your request. Give it a moment to gather the relevant action or instructions. Once Aria responds, type the word highlight in the chat. Using highlight here helps surface or emphasize the key option you're looking for in the response, making it easier to spot the next step on the screen. Now, in Aria's suggestions or the focused results, click the option labeled Add Animated Number Counter to Wix website. Selecting this will trigger the recommended action in the editor, typically opening the right panel, inserting the component, or guiding you through the setup directly on your canvas. Follow any on-screen prompts Aria provides to proceed. If you need to refocus the assistant's response, type highlight again. This keeps the relevant section front and center, especially if more than one suggestion appears. Then, click on highlight where it appears. This might show up as a highlighted item, chip, or link within the assistant panel. Clicking it jumps you straight to the emphasized result or applies the highlighted context, helping you complete the counter addition without hunting through menus. That's the full flow. Search for Wix on Google, open your site from manage.wix.com by choosing Design Site, launch the editor, use Ask Aria, submit the request to add an animated number counter, and use highlight to zero in on the correct action before clicking it. If something looks slightly different on your screen, that's okay. Labels can vary, but the process is the same. Take your time, let the editor load fully, and use Aria's on-screen guidance to finish confidently.